Hello, welcome back. You seriously need to see this best Philips 10 PCs vision. It's officially the most talked about item this month. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. To start with, the construction, it feels solid and premium. It features professional-grade components that feel heavy-duty. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. It delivers consistent results every single time you use it. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: they are selling out fast. See the deal in the bio, and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.